are going to love the 2017 Nissan Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, heated seats, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, security system, fog lights, electronic stability control, compass, rear window defroster, CD player, power windows, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, trip computer, overhead console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.